So Simulia is the dedicated simulation brand from Dassault Systèmes. It enables designers and engineers to physically validate their designs in a virtual environment, and that can accelerate innovation and it can save time and money by reducing physical prototypes. So Simulia covers a wide spectrum of different engineering disciplines, from structures and multi-body systems to fluids, electromagnetics and vibroacoustics. It's also got powerful automation and optimization technology that underpins all of those disciplines, which really allows analysts to make the best engineering decisions in the development and the validation of their products. The Simulia solutions are available both as standalone desktop applications and within the cloud-based 3DEXPERIENCE platform. The same underlying technology is used by both, but the 3DEXPERIENCE platform offers tighter integration of the Simulia solutions and the rest of the Dassault Systèmes portfolio. So the SOLIDWORKS simulation solutions are actually very good for many different simulation problems. But when you start to simulate more complicated physics, you may find that you hit the limitations of what SOLIDWORKS can do. That's where Simulia comes in. So Simulia has a wide breadth of capability and it can do things which SOLIDWORKS simulation simply can't do. It can also do things which SOLIDWORKS can do, but do it a lot better in terms of accuracy, in terms of speed, and in terms of reliability. Simulia also has a larger R&D resource than what SOLIDWORKS simulation has. So with Simulia you can be confident that you'll always benefit from the latest advancements in simulation technology. Some of the greatest benefits of 3DEXPERIENCE Simulia stem from the 3DEXPERIENCE platform itself and its tight integration with the Dassault Systèmes portfolio. It allows users to collaborate easily and provides a consistent user experience across the Simulia solutions, irrespective of the type of simulation you're working on. The cloud-based nature of the 3DEXPERIENCE platform also means that you can run your simulations in the high-performance cloud compute infrastructure, meaning that you can run the most complex simulations on even a basic laptop. Given how much capability there is within the Simulia solutions, there can be quite an awful lot to learn. With that said, there are dedicated training courses for each of the Simulia solutions, and that's available both in a classroom and through an online learning portal. And for every new Simulia user, we'd look to provide a degree of onboarding to help with their successful adoption of the software. There are a few different options available when it comes to licensing for Simulia. Most people will opt for a quarterly or an annual subscription, but it is also possible to access a perpetual license of some of the Simulia solutions. When it comes to cloud compute on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, many of the roles include this at no additional cost to some extent, but if you want to fully unlock the power of the cloud, you'll need to purchase additional credits and tokens. The most well-known Simulia solution is probably Abacus, which is the dedicated structural finite element analysis package. But other key solutions include XFlow and PowerFlow, which operate under the fluids domain, CST Studio Suite and Opera under electromagnetics, Wave 6 under vibroacoustics, and SIMPAC under multibody dynamics.